Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes, your go-to channel for the latest vehicle updates. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Hino 800, a powerful truck widely used in Pakistan, India, and many other countries for goods transport. Let's dive into its performance, features, and why it's a top choice for businesses. Engine and performance. The 2025 Hino 800 is equipped with a robust diesel engine, delivering high torque and fuel efficiency. Its Euro 5 compliant technology ensures lower emissions while maintaining excellent power output. Whether you're hauling heavy loads on highways or navigating city streets, this truck offers smooth and reliable performance. Design and build quality. Built with a reinforced chassis and durable suspension, the Hino 800 is designed for long-haul transportation. The aerodynamic cabin improves fuel efficiency, while the spacious driver's compartment provides comfort for long journeys. Its modern dashboard and digital instrument cluster enhance usability. Cargo capacity and applications. This truck is known for its high payload capacity, making it ideal for logistics, construction materials, agricultural goods, and industrial transport. The strong rear axle and advanced braking system ensure safety even with fully loaded cargo. Technology and safety features. The 2025 Hino 800 comes with power steering, ABS, and electronic stability control, ensuring better handling and driver safety. Additional features like reverse parking sensors and LED lighting enhance convenience, especially for nighttime operations. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Hino has optimized the fuel consumption of this truck, reducing operational costs. The easy-access engine bay and low-maintenance components ensure minimal downtime, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses. Conclusion. The 2025 Hino 800 is a reliable, fuel-efficient, and high-performance truck, perfect for goods transport across Pakistan, India, and beyond. If you're looking for a durable and cost-effective truck, this model is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more vehicle updates.